Hello and welcome again to another Handy Dan video. Today we're making a desk lamp for a little boy who loves the Ninja Turtles. We found this old remote controlled toy that is broken, but it will work perfect for this project. I made a little sidewalk out of a board, put lines in it, drilled holes for all the mounting, and Michelangelo will look cool jumping off the sidewalk. For the lamp post, I used a drop-down cord light, and I 3D printed this top, made it look like a light pole. Made the post from PVC pipe, and it will sit right here on the sidewalk like a street light. And Mike will sit right here in front. Then this LED Edison bulb from IKEA will finish it off. The toy spun around like this, so I installed a light switch in the base and drilled a hole. I mounted this screw through the switch, so his foot will go over the switch, and the screw will hold his foot down. When it's back together, the switch will be hidden. So it'll all fit together nicely, and you move his foot back and forth to turn on the light, like that. So here I have the switch all wired. I drilled a hole in the battery box for the wires. For the lamp's power cord, I drilled a hole through the sidewalk for the wires. This will come up under the lamp post. And the switch wires will go through here and also come up under the lamp post. Okay, I got those all fished through using this little angled pick here. I use these long 3mm bolts to mount into the metal nuts into the toy. Go through those holes, which are countersunk from the bottom. Light base will fit here. I had clearanced the holes for the mounting lugs to adjust. Okay, here we have the power going in, the neutral to the light, the hot goes up to the switch, comes back to the light, and then we have the ground wire. We'll cover all that under the base. Okay, just finishing it up here. All finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you on the next one.